Hello everybody, I'm back with another art journaling video. It's been quite some time since my last journal update. I filmed another video actually, but the LED lighting in the background ended up looking so bad on camera that I actually never uploaded it, which is too bad because I really liked that page. Anyways, I've had a crazy month because I finished my classes in Tokyo and I moved back to Korea. And now I'm back home in Portland for a few weeks because of winter break. So today, to celebrate being back in the Pacific Northwest, I decided to make a few mountainy, kind of nature-themed pages. Anyways, to give you some more life updates and just to chat while I journal. Actually, even though I didn't really like living in Tokyo compared to Seoul, I feel really proud about the studies that I did, and I feel like I grew a lot academically. I also got to go on a ton of cool field trips that expanded my interest in a bunch of areas. So, for example, I took a class about Japanese Buddhism and social issues, and the field trips for the class were extremely interesting, going to different temples and learning about how Buddhist priests are what they're doing to combat climate change or the nuclear industry, etc. So that was incredibly fun. But even though I had a generally good time in Japan, I was so happy and relieved to go back to Seoul last week and see my friends and finally move into my new apartment. And this apartment is so beautiful and spacious, and it has a great view, and the natural lighting from the window will be great for filming videos in Seoul when I get back. Also, this coronavirus thing is crazy, and my school, Yonsei, even got postponed 2 extra weeks to help prevent the spread. So on the good side, maybe I'll have some extra free time before the semester crushes me, because in exchange for those 2 weeks, the semester got shortened by a week, so I'm gonna die. But I'm also going to do an internship in Hong Kong this summer, unless it gets canceled because of the coronavirus situation. So yeah, I really wish the best of luck to anyone who's being affected, and I really hope it starts to get better soon, because it's really crazy over there. Here I am just removing that tape I put down because actually I didn't really like what I did first. I think the tape clashed too much with the artwork itself. So yeah, I guess just remember it's okay to make mistakes and try things out, because you can always just take the tape off the page and start over. And because I'm not drawing directly on the page, I can still move things around, and things are generally pretty impermanent. I guess that's with everything in life, but you know what I mean. In regards to the artwork in this video, I actually drew it back in the end of spring 2019 with my friend in Seoul. We were drawing at a coffee shop near Yongsan, I think. But actually, I don't really remember. It might have been Portland. It was a while ago. But anyways, the print on the right side of the page is from a print that I made in high school, at the end of high school. And I just found this one on my desk, and it looks really nice. It's a very crisp print, and it just so happened to go really well with the lines on the other page, so I decided to put it down. It also fits the Portland theme. And then for the second spread, the mountain picture is also from last year sometime. And then on the left side of the page is a page from my sketchbook. I wrote down a bunch of words that I was thinking about during, like, we were watching a movie in class. So that's just kind of my candid thoughts during the movie. And then the birch is from a tree in my yard. It kind of sheds its skin all the time because it's pretty old, so that's where I got that from. And then the way I spaced it out is that I put the first watercolor artwork on the left side of the first page, and then the second one on the right side of the second page, just because the left-right situation kind of mirrors how the two were from the same piece of paper originally. So, I don't know, I tried to be fancy and include that. Is the final result. I'm happy that I found these pieces because I honestly forgot about them, and I was happy that I could make some pages out of them that just so happened to correspond with the fact that I came back to Portland this week. The centerpieces of these pages are obviously the colorful artwork, so design-wise I tried to keep it very simple and let the artwork shine. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I hope you have a good one. Thanks so much.